So we have a really fun guest today, which is Betty White, a golden girl, a golden retriever. And it's a little stiff. It was a little jerky at the top. There we go.
She liked that.
That was good. There we go. So it just clicked. And one more. And now the head comes all the way back. Wow, look at the range of motion change. In case you want to see the solar eclipse next time. There it goes. Just did your TMJ. Ooh, that made a pop. Did you hear that one? Yeah. So that was good. What do you think of that one?
She likes it.
Yeah, she likes this chiropractor.